Cuevas de los Cien Pilares, Arnedo, La Rioja, España.
Its silver light so calm and still, I sit and weave by candles gleam, my heart adrift in a wistful dream. The air is thick with whispers near, yet none are thine, my love so dear. The stars above, they do not speak, still I await the love I seek. Return to me,